welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use voice typing in Google Docs. So you can see I'm on a Google Doc right now. I'm just going to open up a new line here, and then what you want to do is go to Tools, and there you'll see voice typing right here. So click onto voice typing, and then you want to go ahead and click on the microphone. Then you want to allow the permission, select allow while visiting the site. And now you can see if I push record, and now you can see if I push record, you can see that it is typing out whatever I'm saying into my microphone right now, period. And then you can start a new sentence, and it includes punctuation, what you say through your microphone. Then when you're done, you can just simply go ahead and push stop, and go ahead and edit it however you want to edit it. And that's basically it. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.